Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the HolaVPN on Fire TV. Now I'll get straight to the point. Just find the search bar and navigate to it. So when you find the search bar, you'll be under the find toggle on the top of the screen. So on the top bar menu, just go to find and clicking down once, you enter search. So click on search to bring up this keyboard. On the keyboard, type in HolaVPN. So immediately start typing, look at the suggestions that pop up below. So you don't need to type everything, you just see a suggestion that will bring you to the whole VPN app. So take your time, ensure you're looking at the black label at the top of the suggestion. That's what we are typing. So if you have an error, you'll show there. So you type Hola and you find it there, Hola VPN. When you click on it, you find the VPN right here. Click on it to access. And when you click on the apps, under apps and games, you see access worldwide content. So HolaVPN is the #1 unlimited VPN for Fire TV. All you need to do is to download this VPN and use it on your Fire TV. So what you do now is to click on the VPN and you access the download button. When the download button pops up, click on it to begin the download, and the download will begin in a few seconds. This will take a few seconds to a minute, depending on internet speed. Now, immediately the VPN is downloaded, your installation process will begin automatically. So just be patient. Immediately it installs, you can access it by hitting the open app button that will pop up where the download button is right now. Alternatively, you will come back at a later time, enter your app library and access VPN. If you found value in that, if you're going to use this VPN, subscribe to the channel and you have more value like this.